Okay, here we go. It's Pete from Keep It Sharp. Gonna do another bus video. Everyone seems to be really liking this. Gonna give you some updates. Things are fixing to get real busy with the bus because I've got finally everything's come in. The big thing I was waiting for to get the interior started was we got to get the floors finished. To get the floors finished, I had to have the rust converter for where I tore it out in the last video. So I'm going to just show you that again today, but it's got rust converter on it. Once that's dry, it said 24 hours to 4 days. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get 24 hours. I can start plugging the holes in the floor. We'll take a quick look at that. And once that's plugged, I can start putting the 3/4 inch plywood on the floor. And once that is in, I'm going to throw linoleum on this floor. And the things are going to really speed up because I can start building the shelves and all that. The generator's here. This is the box. Here, let's get you swinged around here. Stand by. Boy, that took a while. Here it is, and it's on its side. This is going to go lay down. Like I said, it was raining. I don't know if I said that. I had to pull it out of the driveway. So imagine this thing leaned over. I'm going to have enough room for 2 generators in here, and they will be able to slide out. I don't know if this is great. They're going to slide out for fueling and oiling. Slide it in. There's going to be a big exhaust fan in the back. So we'll do a video of just how this thing's set up here soon. So the bus is sitting over here. I got some of the trash cleaned up already. Let's take a walk over here. Oh, it's still a lot the same. I'm starting to pull some of the stickers off here, and did that today as well. But like I said, the rain started. Let's jump on in here. Just show you a quick little bit of the there. Oh. All right, maybe you can tell because it's darker. So see. And let's see if it's still sticky when I step on it. See, it's getting better already. But see all these holes, many of which, see, you can see the light. I've got to plug all those. Uh-oh. I just found one sticking up through right there. But see all these holes that you can see light in, all have to be plugged. Some of them I try to reuse. I was going to bring the power up through that, but I'm looking to change it and actually have the generator under here, which will mean I may have to put the power box and everything on here. So there's a little change coming on there. So there we are inside. The windows I'm building, so I think I told you before, we're taking out 5 windows. What is going to go in where each window is half done in the garage. I keep running out of plywood because I'm getting those, to get the cheap plywood, I really should be buying more at once. I don't know what to tell you there. So that's where we're at. Things, like I said, fixing to go viral in my world because, look, I'm at the 3 minutes. Didn't mean to go this long. But everything's going to speed up here real soon, and I'm looking really forward to it. I'm excited, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.